Hey guys, what is going on? So welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Nika for those of y'all who are new here, and we are back with another bag review video. I received a bag from the company Hazel Luxury, and as with these videos, I am just here to give my unbiased opinion and my thoughts on the item that I received. However, you're interested in checking out the company, finding out more, and seeing for yourself, I will have all of the information listed in the description box down below. Now let's go ahead and jump into the unboxing. So I did already take a sneak peek at the item because I was very excited, but I do want to show you guys like the box that it came in. So it just came in this plain box right here. It did not come with like a branded box or anything like that. Shipping was actually really fast. I say it took maybe about 3 to 4 business days to get to me, so it was actually really fast. And so the bag came wrapped up in like a plastic like this. You guys can see the brand bag that I did get. So yeah, so that is how the bag was in the box. The bag is inside of the dust bag, and then inside of the dust bag they included like this cardboard to help protect the bag while it was in the box. So here is the bag that I got. This is the Prada Aimee bag in the color caramel. Y'all, this bag, oh my goodness, can you guys see this bag? Oh my god, it just smells like leather. Like, here's the bottom, and then let me remove this that's on the handles. Went ahead and removed all of the covering on the handle and the plastic that was on the hardware. So it did have some plastic on this little hardware pieces that's on each side right there. Yeah, y'all, this bag feels really nice. It does still have a plastic covering over this little plate right here. I'm just going to leave that on there for now. I am going to take it off eventually, but for right now I'm going to leave that on there. So let's take a look at the inside of the bag. And so here is a look at the inside of the bag. It is leather lined, and it features like a slip pocket right here. And then on the other side, it has a zipper pocket as well. Let me get a little closer, if I could get the camera to focus, to show you guys a closer look at that interior Prada plate, as well as the Prada plate that is in the front of the bag. Both of these look really good. Like, it's not crooked or anything at all. Y'all know sometimes, you know, you'll get those real bad ones, and the little plate right here is crooked, but no, this looks so good. And then the one in the inside looks so good as well. And then the details of this bag is so good. I don't know if you guys can see that, but even right here on the little D-rings, it has Prada on there, which is really cool, y'all. And then it has Prada right here as well. All the places that it's supposed to be embossed with the Prada, it is embossed right there. And in the inside of the bag, it had this clochette that you can attach to the outside of the bag, which is correct. This comes with the original. And then you even get the paperwork that usually comes with the Prada bags. So this is what this one looks like. And this actually looks, I mean, it actually looks pretty good compared to the original. So yeah, y'all, this actually looks really good. So you get the card, the authenticity card, and that's what it looks like in the back. And then you get the other little card right here that the Prada products usually come with, and then like a little, kind of like a little care booklet. And all of this does come with original Prada products. I will say though, however, like the coloring of this card is a little bit off, and I would say it's a little bit thinner, but most of the time nobody's really paying attention to like the authenticity cards and stuff like that. I mean, you know, but I will say that the coloring, that this is like whiter than the original and a little bit thinner, and like the print is just slightly too small, as well as the coloring of this, it's like a little bit too purpley, and then the font on here is just a little bit too big. But I feel like the most important thing is, does the bag look good? Does the bag look good is the most important thing. And I would say yes, this bag looks really good. I mean, you can just, y'all can't get over it. It just smells like a brand new leather bag, and the leather is very soft compared to the original. I would say that this one is like, it's not as slouchy yet, but you can tell, like, just me doing this, you can tell that over time it's going to get a little bit more slouchy, and as you put your stuff in there, it's going to get slouchy and it's going to soften up. I could just tell by like just look at that. I could just tell by like the way the leather looks and how soft the leather is. It's straight from the factory wrapped and stuff. So once it's been used for a couple days, I already know it's going to be just as slouchy as the original after just a few days of use. Because this leather, y'all, this leather feels really good. Like, this feels like nice. It's like nice and squishy and just really, really good quality, y'all. Really good quality. And so yeah, here's another overall look at the bag. I am just loving this bag, y'all. Like I said, it's just a nice, let me see if you guys can see, it's just a nice shoulder bag, like so pretty. So if you guys are interested in this bag, or you just want to check out the Hazel Luxury website, see what's on there, see if anything catches your eye or anything like that, I will have all the information listed in the description box down below. Well guys, that is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, definitely give me a like, comment down below. Let me know what you think of this bag unboxing. And if you are enjoying this type of content, definitely consider subscribing. Well guys, until the next one. Bye.